Yes, well, dear friends, uh, I defined in last video the mean free path. Actually, I told that in gas molecules are far apart from each other, but still, when they move, they collide each other, and average distance traveled by molecule between any two successive collisions is called mean free path. Mean average of the distances moved by molecule in successive collision is called mean free path. So we will obtain the value of mean free path here. Let us assume that gas left the diameter of each molecule of a gas is kept small d. In figure, a molecule of diameter d, this one, is shown moving with average velocity, say v bar, average velocity v bar. Let other molecules are at rest. Let other molecules of gas are at rest. This molecule will collide with all those molecules whose center is at distance d from its center. इनके अगर ये यहाँ आता है तो ये डिस्टेंस d होगा और ये भी d होगा, तो कोलाइड करेगा. So now the volume swept by this molecule in time delta t is equal to pi d square v bar into delta t. You know volume is equal to area of base into height. So this is the area of base. एक्चुअली ये जो सिलेंडर है इसका डायमीटर d होगा, है ना. वो सब ये नहीं दिया हमने, ये नॉट दिस वन, दिस सिलेंडर. A volume swept by this molecule internal delta T in which ऐसा करो it collides is given by this. This is the volume. If small n be the number of molecules per unit volume, then number of collisions made by this molecule in time delta t equal to pi d square v bar delta t into n. Pi d square into n. So number of collision taking place per unit time. Number of collision, hence number of collision taking place per unit time equal to per unit time divided delta t pi d square v bar delta t into n upon delta t is equal to n pi d square v bar. So this is the number of collision taking place made by this molecule with other molecule per unit time. Number of collision made by this molecule per unit time, and hence time interval between two successive collisions, that small tau equal to 1 upon n pi d square v bar. This is the time interval between two collisions and molecule moving with v bar speed, and therefore mean distance traveled by the molecule between two successive collisions, which is called mean free path. L equal to v bar into tau and v bar into 1 upon pi d square, and pi d square v bar cancel, so you get L equal to 1 upon n pi d square. This cancel. Here we have assumed that only one molecule is moving, while all other molecules are in motion. If we neglect our assumption that other molecules are at rest, then more accurate calculations gives L equal to 1 upon root 2 n pi d square, root 2. Here n the number of molecules per unit volume. Just because sometimes we feel difficult to understand what I have done. Suppose is a molecule, उसका diameter d, it is moving velocity v. So when it moves, it will collide with all molecule whose center is a distance d from its center. So the molecules lying in the volume pi d square into v delta t, the volume swept by the molecule in which it will collide with the other molecule in time is this. Pi d square v bar delta t is that volume which it has swept and collide with other molecules, because this is this much. तो ये भी है, ये भी है, तो इससे टकराना नहीं हो, ये सब मॉलिक्यूल. Now, so now if n the number of molecule per volume into n, so that is total number of collision made by molecule per unit in time into delta t. So time number of collision taking place per unit time will be n pi d square v bar. It is the number of collision. So time interval between two collision is 1 upon this, and therefore distance moved this. So that way we get for student appearing for the company exam. This is important to learn, but we have to understand from where this has come. Now, the motion of gas molecules depend upon temperature. Just we have proved Kc square bar boson to absolute temperature. From ideal gas equation, PV equal to, तो nRT कहते हैं, जब there n is number of molecule, number of moles. Number of moles means if x the number of x the total number of molecules in volume B, then upon capital N. What is capital N? Average number. Give the number of moles. RT. So this N represents number of molecules per unit volume, and from here PV equal to x into R by N KB. PV equal to nRT. Here N is number of moles, and number of moles actually total number of molecules are N divided by average number will also give number of moles. So here this N represent number of molecules per unit volume, and from here PV equal to x into R by N KB. PV equal to nRT. Here N is number of moles, and number of moles actually total number of molecules are N divided by average number will also give number of moles. So we will also give number of moles. T absolute temperature. R by capital M kb into T. From here x upon V. X upon V equal to P upon kBT. kb somewhere I have neglected B this small kBT. kb Boltzmann constant. So this represents number of molecules per unit volume. यानी K small n. It represents x upon V. Number of molecules per unit volume. Number of molecules per unit volume. Again, putting this value of n here, we get L equal to 1 upon root 2 into P upon kBT into pi d square, or L equal to kBT upon root 2 pi d square into P. This is also expression we can be given question based on this. P is pressure, T absolute temperature, kb Boltzmann constant. I have told many times kb. What is kb? ये small k लिखना पड़ेगा. Small kb is equal to R by N. Its value 1.38 और 36 भी लिखते हैं ये लोग. -23 जूल per mole. So basically we have got two formula for L. 1 upon root 2 pi d square n. One is this, another is this. So please learn this topic. Actually I have seen in classrooms this topic is not taught. I will be telling you numerical problems and other things in coming videos, and you can, I think, prove gas law, Ball's law, Charles law, Avogadro law, Gram's law of diffusion using kind theory of gases. You can read the books from where you can get easily. I don't want to waste your energy and time here. In coming videos, I will be telling you some good problems. Thank you. But if you please like the video, ask your friend to subscribe my channel, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe the channel first. This is my request, not compulsion. I get an impression that people are being benefited by my teaching. That's why I am asking. Thank you.